Okay, children, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. And the
Ma'am.
last class, good afternoon, children. Very good afternoon. So, last class, we have discussed. Who can say? Raise your hand and only that person. Okay, Bharadwaj. All others, please mute, stay mute. Tanya, please
Ma'am,
on your video.
can
I
I
cannot
say?
see you. Tanya.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Bharadwaj. Tanya, please on your video.
Ma'am, can I
Oppo
say?
F15. Oppo. Yes, Bharadwaj. Can you say what we have discussed in the last class? Bharadwaj, unmute and say, Bharadwaj.
Ma'am, can I say?
Who is saying that?
Ananda.
Ananda, wait, I asked Bharadwaj.
Ma'am, my video is on.
Bharadwaj, it's not audible?
Ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Angelina. Good afternoon. Okay,
I
Gautam,
think
tell me
Angelina
what
did
we have
impress
discussed in the last class.
Ma'am.
We started new chapter, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So, F15.
Ma'am,
Tanay.
my video is on. Ma'am, my video is on.
Yes, Gautam. Can you say what you have discussed? What we have discussed last class?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Ma'am, we start
Can you keep your mouth, that speaker to your mouth? Yes.
Now we had started the new sub chapter
Chapter
patterns.
2 patterns. Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Gautam. Yes. Last class you can mute. Okay. Last class we started new chapter patterns. Yes. Patterns.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
who can say what is a symmetrical objects? Raise your hand and tell me. Some children, if I call, I cannot, that audio is not audible. So you can raise your hand. What symmetrical objects? What do you mean by symmetrical objects? Yes, Agni.
Objects are said to be symmetrical if they can be divided into two identical
Divided
parts
into
and
two
of the given
identical
length.
parts. Okay, children. So in the last class, we have discussed what are symmetrical objects. Objects that can be divided into two identical parts. Children, the parts should be identical. We cannot make one small, one big, and we cannot say that is symmetrical. So some shapes we cannot make like that. So we will call that shapes. But Ananda, if we cannot divide into two identical parts, what are that objects called, Ananda?
No line of symmetry.
Yes.
Mhm.
What shape?
Asymmetrical.
Who can say?
Asymmetrical.
Symmetrical. Okay, we cannot.
Symmetrical.
If we cannot divide the shape into two identical parts, we can call that objects or shapes to be asymmetrical.
Asymmetrical.
Symmetrical. Okay, the objects that can be divided, they are symmetrical, and if you place one A in front of that, it will become asymmetrical.
Asymmetrical.
Asymmetrical. Okay, children. Then we have learned one more thing that day. Who can say? Adinath, can you say symmetrical
Lines of
objects?
symmetry.
And one more,
Lines of symmetry.
axis of symmetry. What do you mean by axis of symmetry, Adinath?
Line divide
And that
object.
The line that divides. Yes, line divides the shapes into two identical parts. It is called axis of symmetry, and each half will be a reflection of the other. A reflection of the other. Now we can make patterns can be made by turning a shape. Turning a shape. Who can say what is that?
Ma'am, I cannot. Yes.
Rotation.
Tanya?
rotation of a
Rotation
Rotation.
Rotation
Children,
of a
in the beginning I said I am
Rotation of a
calling by name, and some children always they will be speaking and I cannot
Ma'am,
hear
I was
about
late,
others.
ma'am.
Okay. So Tanya, what is that called? Turning a shape. Tanya?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by turning of a shape in clockwise
Patterns.
or anti-clockwise direction?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
What's that, Tanya? In the last class, we have discussed, no?
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I tell?
Yes?
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I tell?
Yes.
Rotation of a shape.
Rotation. Yes, very good. Rotation. So we have discussed symmetrical objects, line of axis, or line of axis is also called axis of symmetry. And then we have discussed what is rotation. Okay? Rotation. And I will show that PowerPoint one more time. Okay? We have discussed this last class, symmetrical shapes. So objects or shape are symmetrical. They can be divided into two identical parts. We have discussed this last class. And axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry, that is the line that divides the shape. Line that divides the shape. That is called axis of symmetry. And we have seen vertical line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry, and we have discussed in the last class various letters or numbers that have vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry. And in the case of H, we can see both vertical line and horizontal line. And we can see some shapes. There is no line of symmetry. No line of symmetry. Okay. Then we have discussed what is rotation.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
Turning a shape.
Ma'am, I cannot see the
Cannot
board.
see the board?
No, ma'am.
Gautam, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, now I can see. Now I can see.
Okay, who is that?
I mean,
Ayman. Okay. This we discussed in the last class. That's why I didn't make it.
ma'am, you give the notes also.
I give the notes also. So I want to discuss the last slide. That's why we are and turning a shape. Turning a shape. Letter or figure in the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. That is called rotation. And we have discussed this last class. And I want to do this slide little more one more time this year. We had not discussed 1/3. In the last class, we did not discuss this one. That's why I want to show this again. Okay, children? Okay. Now, Fia, quarter turn. It's there already on the board. Quarter turn. How much degree rotation?
90-degree rotation.
90 degree. Okay, 90 degree. And what about half turn?
180-degree
Half turn?
180-degree rotation.
And what about one full turn?
360-degree rotation.
Okay. Now, children, I want to, all the children, please now see this 1/3. This we have not discussed in the last class. 1/3. 1/3. How much that?
120-degree
120
rotation.
120 degree.
We will see 120 degree. Okay. Okay, children. How will get 120 degree? All the children, your camera is on?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not? Okay, maybe there it's opening now. Okay, so what is one complete angle? How much degree? Complete angle?
360 degree.
360 degree. So 1/3 of 360. What is 1/3 of 360?
120 degree.
120 degree.
So we are taking half of 360. That will be 180. You know 180 plus 180 is 360.
Yes, ma'am.
And 1/4 is 90 degree. What about 3/4? Who can say 3/4 of 360?
3/4.
Raise your hand.
230.
Huh?
230.
230?
120.
120?
270.
270. Yes, that's correct answer. 270. Children, that is 3/4 of 3/4 of 360.
360 degree.
Okay. So then we have discussed what's that clockwise direction and anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
Okay. Now, children, I will show you And you have to tell me that is clockwise or anti-clockwise. So, so we are going to take the first whiteboard, then only easy board. Okay. So, anti-clockwise direction and clockwise direction. You will be you are familiar with that.
We can't see
Yes?
the board.
Ma'am, we
Yes,
can see only
ma'am.
one whiteboard.
It's
Ma'am told that
cannot see
after the
the board.
whiteboard, the easy board.
yeah. After the whiteboard, I told some children they still every time they want to say something. Yes. Okay. So what's that? Anti-clockwise direction and clockwise. So I will show you now that one. You have to tell me easy. I will call one by one. Okay. Can you see the board now? Richard, Richard will be always the first one to say. Ma'am, I cannot see the board. It's, Richard, can you see the board? Easy board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now, I will draw one triangle. Okay. So first, I will ask one by one. Okay. Now, Chinmay. This, Chinmay, can you see the board? Unmute and say, unmute, Chinmay. Chinmay. Isha. Now, we have turned this triangle. Okay. What is this turning called? Turning of shape clockwise or anti-clockwise. What is that called?
Rotation.
Rotation. Very good. Now, can you say, is this a triangle rotated clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise. Very good. See, we are moving like here. Okay. So, Madhav, can you say by what angle this has turned? By what angle?
Ma'am.
90 degree.
90 degree. Very good. Okay, children.
Right
If
angle.
we have, okay, this triangle was here. If we turn this clockwise, now this is 90 degree and that is called 1 by 4 turn. Children, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, the same triangle, if we looking other side, opposite side. Now, Ananda, what is this rotation? From here to here. Which direction this? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Okay, children? Understood? That also from here to here, that is 90 degree. That is 1 by 4. But it is in the opposite direction. That is, are you paying attention, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that clear? Okay. Now we are making pattern using rotation. Okay. We are rotating. We can rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay. So according to the pattern, according how you have to observe carefully and say whether it is clockwise or anti-clockwise, whether it is 1 by 4 turn or half turn.
But 120 turn, 360.
Sometimes it will be 3 by 4 turn. That is 270 degree. And if it is full rotation, how much?
360. 360.
Degree? Okay, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this triangle, if it is rotation 1 by 4, it will be like this. If it is 180 degree from here to here, 180 degree. How we will get the position as upside down? Look here, the triangle was how the original triangle.
No, ma'am.
Can you see the board?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Here, this is the original triangle. After half turn, the position. Look at the position of triangle. It is upside down. So this is 180 degree. So after 3 by 4 turn, the triangle will be from here to here. It will be here. And what will be that position? It will be this side. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this is called 3 by 4 turn. 3 by 4 turn. Because you know the full round is 360 degree. After this full round, the triangle will be back to original position.
Position.
Okay, children? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, who is calling?
Ma'am, it's Pia.
Fia, okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Ah, yes. Say louder. It's not audible. Say louder.
And when it is 180 degree, it will be half right, like 3 by 4, and it will be
It's not
2
3
by
by 4. It is 1 by 2.
1 by
Half turn means 1 by 2. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, if I am taking like we are one, you know, one arrow. Okay. So here, after 1 by 4 turn, it will be 1 by 4. You have to mention, is this clockwise or anti-clockwise? Agni,
Ma'am. Ma'am.
yes. What is this turn? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
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 What is the, by what fraction it has turned?
1 by 4.
1 by 4 turn.
Very good. Now, if it is on the opposite side,
Anti-clockwise.
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 Anti-clockwise. Correct. Anti-clockwise. So that is also 90. What about after half turn, Fia? This is half turn from here to here. What's that?
180 degree.
180 degree.
180 degree.
You can say that is half turn. What's that?
Half turn.
So you know half turn, it is upside down. It is like opposite. So this is when you do anti-clockwise. Here also it will be like this when you come from anti-clockwise direction, and here it is clockwise direction. We can see both are same for this arrow. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, children. Now I will show one video for this next period. Children, we have one more period today.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
That period you have to be ready with your. At what time you have another period today?
3:15. No, 2:20. 2:40. 2:40.
Okay. Please, all the children, you have one more period today at 2:40. But with that period, by that time you have to be ready with your workbook. Okay. All your video is on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So all of you, please mute and pay attention. Those who are not listening properly, attentively, we can see everything from here. I don't know, Ayush, Alok and Diya, all this video is off. Abhimanyu, Anina, check that, okay? I'm going to show that video now. Children, is there anybody's video is off? Video should be on and mute your audio. Okay, mute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, put sound, okay?
Okay, wait. 1 minute, okay? One more time, I will start. Then only I can see this. That join with audio, that's not seen. Hmm?
Ma'am, the video is playing.
Wait. Okay. Join with video is there one thing. Join with video. That's I'm searching. Children, if you cannot hear the audio, I will explain. Okay. Just let me one more time. Let me check. Okay, whether I can share with audio. Children, check now whether you can hear the audio. Okay.
Ma'am, that audio is muted.
And the audio is full.
Ma'am, the audio is
Ma'am,
muted.
the
The audio is
sound
muted.
is
Okay,
on
wait.
zero.
Check for the audio. If it is not audible, I will explain.
Ma'am, the
Sound
Oh,
audio is
in
muted.
zero.
Triangle in which two of the
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear the sound?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pay attention, then you can hear. Okay.
You need to think if we can divide this triangle into two parts such that both the
The video sound
parts
is
match
little
exactly
less.
when
Okay,
they're
pay attention.
folded along a line. How would you divide the triangle if this condition has to be satisfied? Fold it along a line such that both parts formed match exactly. Pause the video and give it a shot. It's easy, and I'm sure most of you would have got it right. If we draw a line like this, the condition will be satisfied. Yes, it's a vertical line which divides the triangle into two parts, which match exactly when folded along the line. If the part on the right is taken over to the left, we see that they overlap exactly. And that is why this shape is said to be symmetrical. The two parts match exactly when folded along a line. Now let me give you another figure.
Children, what is this line of symmetry called? Line of symmetry? Its line of symmetry is also called
Axis of symmetry.
axis of symmetry. So can you see this? What type of symmetry?
Vertical line of symmetry.
Vertical line. Okay, very good. You can see a vertical line of symmetry. Yes, and this line is called axis of symmetry or
Line of symmetry.
understood? Okay.
I draw the isosceles triangle this way and ask you the same question.
And children, here you can see rotation of this triangle. And is it which direction? Clockwise, and it is 1/4 turn.
90 degrees.
90
Two
degrees
parts
or 1/4.
such that both the parts match exactly when they are folded along a line? Yes. We can draw a horizontal line like this. We get two parts which match exactly.
Now children, the same picture, but when you turn, here which line of symmetry you can see here?
Horizontal line of symmetry.
Same picture. In the original, it is
Horizontal
vertical
line of
line of symmetry. But when you rotate, you can see another line of symmetry, that is horizontal line of symmetry.
This folded flipped, it overlaps
When you
exactly
fold, you
over
can
the
see they
other.
are reflection to each other.
Both these
Okay,
lines we
yeah,
see
reflection.
here are called the lines of symmetry or the axis of symmetry. This triangle has a vertical axis of symmetry, as this line is vertical And this one has a horizontal axis of symmetry, as this line is horizontal. Now I want you to think about the next question I'm going to ask you. Can a shape have more than one axis of symmetry?
Yes.
Yes.
If you look at just these two
We can see
triangles,
already
you would
letter H
probably
with
say
more than
no,
one line of axis.
because there is no
Symmetry,
other line
that
can
is
divide
vertical
by
and
these triangles
vertical
into
and
two parts
horizontal.
that
Or
match
letter
exactly.
H.
But the correct answer is that a shape can have more than one axis of symmetry. Look at this rectangle. These two parallel sides are equal. These two parallel sides are equal. And all four angles measure 90 degrees. It will have a horizontal axis of symmetry like this. When one part is flipped over, it will overlap exactly with the other. And it will also have a vertical symmetry like this. Flip this part and we
So this
see the perfect
rectangle, how many
overlap.
lines of symmetry you can see?
So a
Vertical line and horizontal
rectangle
line.
is a horizontal as well as
Yes, two lines.
Horizontal line and vertical line.
wait. Some of us may be wondering if the diagonals are also the axis of symmetry. Let's say we have a diagonal like this.
Check
You
whether
can
this
see that
can be
holding
do no.
along the diagonal
Look at the
does not give us
figure.
matching
We cannot
parts.
make that a reflection of the other.
Try
So
this
it's not
with
possible.
the page from your notebook.
There is no slant
Try and fold
line is
it
not
along the
possible.
diagonal
Look
and
at
you
here.
will see that the parts
not
do not
possible
overlap
To
exactly.
fold it exactly.
Okay, here's
like
another
identical.
question for you. Can a figure have more than
Square. Yes, very good. Very good. Square.
Yes.
Square. Yes. Next, they will show you square.
Again, the answer is yes. Take the example of a square. All its sides are equal and all four angles are right angles. It has a horizontal as well as a vertical axis of symmetry, just like the rectangle. But for a square, the two diagonals will also be the axis of symmetry. If we fold it along this diagonal, the parts match. And even if we fold it along this diagonal, these two parts overlap.
So here for square, how many lines
Exactly.
of symmetry you can see?
So a square has four axes of
Okay,
symmetry.
4. And what about rectangle? We have only
So,
2. Yes.
vertical and diagonals. More than four? What if we have a figure like a regular hexagon? A regular
Hexagon, you know how
hexagon is
many
a
sides are there?
closed figure with 6
sides.
equal sides and 6 equal angles. How many axes of symmetry does a regular hexagon have? Pause the video and try to arrive at the correct answer.
Can you find out this? How many axes of symmetry for
Four.
Now is the time to wind up the session. You want to see that how many lines? I will show you. Yes, yes. Look. Look. 4 or 6.
See,
Okay, wait. 2 minutes.
horizontal
1, 2,
Ones
one vertical,
are
horizontal.
obvious.
Then
these two
one
Also
standing,
be-
2 like that. Now check whether it's already 4. 1,
you think there are any more?
3, 4. Now check
The line
is it
joining
4
the
or
midpoints of these two sides and the line joining the midpoints of these two sides.
Yes, it has how many lines of symmetry? Okay, very good. And what about this circle? Infinite axis of symmetry for a
Do you know that nature loves
okay, children.
symmetry?
So look at the
Best example of symmetry
triangle
in nature
and
would be
rectangle.
that
There
of a
are
human
2 lines.
face.
For square,
It has
there
a
are 4.
vertical symmetry.
and regular
What we saw in this
hexagon.
video is reflectional
about
symmetry.
circle?
If one part is kept
What about
against a
circle?
mirror, its reflection
Okay, children.
will give us the other part.
So, children, so
Ma'am,
you
I
know
told
how many lines of symmetry for a circle? That is infinite line of axis. And what about
Ma'am, I told the
rectangle? That is 2.
So true.
And square, it is 4. Regular hexagon, it is 6. Okay, children, now it's the time to wind up the session.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I told the 6. So
very good.
Thank you,
For the next period,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
bye.
Thank you, ma'am.